In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to search for someone on Instagram using an image. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and go to the Google homepage. In the search bar, you'll see a small camera icon. Click on the camera icon. Choose the picture you want to search with from your computer or device. You can either paste the image URL or upload it from your device. To make your search more specific, type in keywords related to the person or topic you're looking for. For example, type Instagram if you're specifically looking for someone on Instagram. After selecting your image and adding any keywords, click on the search button. Google will show you a list of images similar to the ones you uploaded, along with any web pages where the page or the image appears. Scroll through the results to see any of them are Instagram profiles, and look for the profile pictures or images from the Instagram posts. If you find relevant profiles, click on them to visit the Instagram page and see more details. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.